Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can change the region of your Netflix account on your mobile device. So if that sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new, and also turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. If you want to change the region of your Netflix, you cannot do so within the app. You will need to download a VPN in order to do so. Now to download a VPN, head over to your Play Store. Then type in Atlas VPN. This is a free VPN that is quite useful to use. If you have, you can also use a paid version of a VPN such as ExpressVPN, which is a paid version. Now you'll need to install the VPN. Now to change the IP address of your location, open the app and sign into it. If you don't have an account, then you need to create a new account. Now when you're in the app, you can change the location by simply tapping on this button. Now currently I'm connected to the Netherlands IP address. Now if you check in the website called What is my IP address, it shows that I'm currently in the Netherlands. Now after you've done that, you can go into your Netflix account. Then you'll be able to watch Netflix shows and movies which were not currently available in your location. Now it's available because you have chosen a different IP address of a different country. So just like that, you can change the region of your Netflix account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.